everyone, welcome you all to my channel. So for today we are going to make a simple video on how to cut umbrella sleeve. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, thanks a lot. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Feel free to drop the topics you want us to treat down below at the comment section, and don't forget to ask your questions down below at the comment section and subscribe. So today we are going to be cutting umbrella sleeve. So umbrella sleeve can be related to a circle sleeve. Okay, it actually depends on how you are able to get the radius. So I have a video on how to cut a circle sleeve in case you don't know how to achieve that. So I'm going to put down the details down below at the description box so you can go ahead and watch the video over there. Join us on Facebook, Sewing is Fun by 3 Designs, and on Instagram, Thank God Designs. So all these details are going to be down at the description box. So what are the basic measurements required for umbrella sleeve? We need our sleeve length and our round sleeve. So our sleeve length is 10 inches. I'm just going to add 1 inch for the allowance. 1 inch because why? Because basically I'm just going to weave it. Okay, you can weave it, you can turn it, it depends. So if you want to turn it with probably an interface, you can add 2 inches for your allowance, it depends. So but for me, I'm going with 1 inch for my allowance. So my round sleeve is 12 inches. Okay, let me just leave that round sleeve because if I explain it here, you guys are going to be confused. Okay, so how will you be able to get your round sleeve? So let's say my round sleeve is 12 inches divided by 2. So divided by 2, we have 6 inches. You guys should know that when you are dealing with sleeve, in as much as you are folding your sleeve into 4, you have to divide your round sleeve by 2, not by 4. Okay, so normally for sleeve, you have to divide your round sleeve by 2 and your fabric will be folded into 4. So now let's just move to the fabric. So the first thing you have to do, this is your fabric. Okay, so you fold it into 2 this way, fold it into 2 this way, and then you fold it into 4 again. So now the next thing you have to do is to mark your sleeve length. We said our sleeve length is 10 inches, 11 inches plus our same allowance, so we have 11 inches. I'm going to mark 11 inches this way. So after marking 11 inches, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. So I'll go ahead and cut out this. Oh, I hope you guys can see it. Let me use this chalk. Okay, so this is what we have. Just mark 11 inches this way. Place your tape measure at this point. Mark your inches. You bring it down. Make sure you don't remove it from this point. So I'm going to cut it out and show you guys what next you have to do. So this is what we have. We have this. So what you are going to do now is to indicate this point. Okay, indicate this point because we are going to make use of it. So indicate this. So you open it up like this so you can see where we have the midpoint. So open it up this way. So this is our midpoint, right? So we'll go ahead and give this a straight line. So this is the midpoint. Don't worry, I'm going to be making use of marker because the chalk is not clear on the fabric. So I'll cut another one for the dress later. So this is the center line, right? So you mark it straight this way. Use your ruler. Okay, this is better. It's showing. Mark it straight this way. And at this point, you mark it like you want to get the middle point, okay? So you mark it this way. So please, for yours, make use of chalk. So we have this. So I have my 4 lines. I hope this is clear enough. So I have my 4 lines indicated already. So what we have to do now is we are going to make use of our round sleeve measurements. Is what? Our round sleeve measurement is 12 inches. So 12 inches divided by 6.28. 12 inches divided by 6.28. So 12 divided by 6.28, we have 1.9 inches, which is approximately, 1.9 inches. So we are going to leave 1.9 inch at this point. So this is my 1.9 inches here. So at this point, we are going to mark 1.9. You mark 1.9, 1.9, 1.9. I know you guys are going to be asking me that why did we make use of 6.28? Now the reason why we divided the measurement by 6.28 is because, okay, by the time you mark it, the essence of us moving in with 1.9 before we started marking it round is for the shape to be this way, okay, just to have a perfect shape. So I know you're going to be asking that why did we make use of 6.28? Why did we divide our measurements by 6.28? So basically the reason is this. Radius of a circle, for you to get radius of a circle, you have to do what? Divide by 6.28, right? So that is why we divided it by 6.28, because we want to get a perfect circle in a circle. This is a circle already, but we want to have a circle in a circle. So we are making use of radius of a circle to give us this shape. So the reason why we divided by 6.28 is because we want to get a circle in a circle, okay? So you just divide your round sleeve by 6.28. Now we are going to cut this out. You have to be very careful at this point. So for me, I'm just going to fold it like this and cut this out. This is the best method for me. So by the time you open it this way, you guys, you can see we have the circle already. We have the perfect circle. So all you have to do is to fix in this in your... Now look at this line here. So open it up this way, because you need a point to open it up to fix it to your round sleeve. And look at what you have. So this is perfect. So this is different from a flare sleeve, okay? This is what you have for your umbrella sleeve. So this upper part is small, and for this down part is actually very full, okay? So this is what you have. By the time you open it up, you have this for your umbrella sleeve, you guys. So you just fixing this part to your shoulder measurement, and then it falls this way. It is perfect. It gives you this cone shape. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, join us on Facebook. Sewing is fun by Tip Designs. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.